without kneading and proofing. The results are very soft. The recipe for this amazing liquid donut is so simple to make, easy, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Just look at this, guys. Let's get started. So in my mixing bowl, I added in eggs followed by honey. I'll then go in with baking powder and salt. Lastly, I'll add in the sugar, but not the least. I'll add in the sugar, go in with my machine, and then wait until it's firm. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once it's firm, go ahead and add in vanilla extract. You can use any flavor of your choice. And then I added in powdered milk. I then sieve in the flour. So the flour, I didn't add it to it all at once, beat at a time, stir till well combined, and then I added in the rest. You do not want any lumps in the flour, so please add it to it, beat at a time. Once it's all added, go ahead and stir till well combined, and then the last ingredient going in is milk. I'll stir it till well combined again, and then I'll set it aside. So guys, just look at this. This is the consistency you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. So after I went ahead and divided it into 3 equal parts, and then I added 1/3 to a smaller bowl. After I sieved in about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then I stirred till well combined. If it's not dark enough, you can add about a tablespoon of dark chocolate, and then stir till well combined and keep it aside. So you want the consistency should be the same. The other one I added in about 3 tablespoons of flour, and then stir till well combined. So when done, all you have to do is to pour it in a piping bag and set it aside. After, go ahead and preheat your oil, and then dip your ladle in the oil. Let it get hot before pouring in the cake batter. So once you're done with the vanilla one, go in with the chocolate one and draw a circle line as demonstrated in the video, and then use a toothpick or how do they call it? As demonstrated in the video, and then wait. Don't dip it in the oil right ahead. Let it cook from the bottom a little bit before dipping it in the oil, and then wait for like 2 seconds, and then wait for like 10 seconds for it to detach from the ladle, and you are good to go. Let it fry until it's slightly golden brown, and then take it from the oil. So there's it. You can make any design of your choice. It was very simple, and then it was easy making this as well. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try, and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. So as you can tell from the video, it wasn't difficult to remove from the ladle. It was very easy. All you have to do is have a little bit patience, let it cook slowly until it's detached from the ladle, and you are good to go. So this was a different design that I used the chocolate one, and then I used the vanilla one for the decoration. It was very simple. I hope you're going to give it a try, because trust me, your kids will fight with you for this amazing recipe. They will love it. It's very easy, no kneading, it's just free donuts. Please try it and let me know how it turned out. So that's it, guys. All you have to do is wait, put it in the oil, let it get fried, and then remove it. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. Please don't forget to share. And guys, just look at this. This was delicious. Try it, please try it. You don't know what you're missing. See you till then. Bye bye.